In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the list view in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're going to see all of your projects right here. So, select one of the projects that has the list view, or if you want to add a new one. Let's have this for example. This is a list view. So if I want to add a new one, simply click right here on the plus view and click on the list. So what is the list view for? As you can see, the list view is where you can see all your tasks simply on a list. But from here, you can have access on all of those tasks and edit their statuses. You can even use the filters right here to filter the list of the tasks that you want or you only want to see. For example, I'm going to search by status. Then what I want to see is the task that is already closed. And as you can see, now there's only 3 tasks showing on my list view. This would help you to easily see all the tasks, their progresses, and manage those tasks for your team and for your project. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.